So I have to unbox this with you all. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is a Cécred travel case. I hope you all can see this. The things we can do, we could have a picnic. We could go to the airport. This is a nice case. Like, I'm impressed. Okay, so this is great for styling. When I'm a Cécred educator in the future, this is what I'm going to take and put things in, like my tools. We have a full zip hoodie. I have a hoodie, and I don't wear it often because, you know, I'm like, let me preserve it. I'm gonna show you the hoodie, hold on. So when I'm business planning and when I'm thinking, then I'm gonna put this hoodie on. Very comfortable. I feel like we could sleep in this hoodie. This is so exciting. Let's keep going. So next up, we have more recyclable paper. This is such a good smell. It smells like the Cécred line, temple oud, the sandalwood, and it's a really good time. Let's open it together. Wait a minute, this is different. Look at this one. This is in like a different kind of vessel. 68 out of 200. So this is a collector's thing. This will not be burning. I wonder, is this her hand? Look at that. Something about this feels like a hand. I could be making this up. You know, they call us the Delulu, but maybe this is our founder's hand. Maybe she squeezed the vessel and that's what we're getting. I don't know. It's either her or maybe Blue's. Could be Miss Tina's. Miss Tina, are those your hands? So here's the inside. There's a spot for like my tools in here. You see that? There's a spot for like a blow dryer, all kind of styling stuff. So when I go on my Cécred adventures or do education, then this is the case that I'm gonna bring. Let's go get some products, hold on. Nobody move. Okay. Who's gonna wear the hat today? I think you're gonna wear the hat, Moisture Seal. This is the order that you're going to use your products in. So your clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub is gonna start. This is gonna get you good and clean. Next, we're going to use the hydrating shampoo. If you want a shampoo that gives you good slip, feels like it's cleaning the hair well, but it's still like super gentle. I love this on anyone that has chemical or color treated hair, or if you have natural hair that tends to be resistant, this is going to be a really, really good shampoo. If you have a finer texture, you can use this shampoo as well, but what you do want to adjust later is the next step, which is your conditioning. These are conditioners. This is technically not a conditioner, these are treatments. I'm going to talk to you about the difference. This is going to be for every time you shampoo or condition. If your density is a little lower, you can use the hydrating conditioner. If your density is a little higher, then you can use the moisturizing deep conditioner. If you do worry about feeling too weighed down, stick to your mids and ends. So the section of your hair that's the oldest, that is the most thirsty, that's what you're going to want to use these on. This is going to, again, be a rapid, you can get it done in like 1 minute. It helps with detangling. This is thick, it's like a butter. Like it's not coming out if I turn it upside down. Let's say it fell out. And this is going to deeply and intensely nourish. I would like to have both in my collection. If I'm feeling like I need a little extra boost, I'm going to use a moisturizing deep conditioner. Day-to-day regular cleansing, I'm using my hydrating conditioner. So we're gonna put these into the case. All right, so next you want to talk about treatment. So if your hair is in need of rescuing, or you are color treated and just wanna maintain your strength, or you're natural and you want your curl pattern to do what it's supposed to do, fermented rice, rose, and protein ritual is a fortifier. Mix this with 24 ounces of water. They have a shaking vessel that you can use, or you can use something else. Empty this packet in, shake it up really good, pour it all over the hair. Let it sit 5 minutes. Rinse. Follow up with step 2. This is the silk rinse. This is what's going to complete the process. They go together. This is not a conditioner though, so you can follow this up with your conditioner. Hydrating conditioner or moisturizing deep would go really well. So this is my favorite product in the line. It's the Reconstructing treatment mask. A good reconstructor will save your life. It will change your life. It has like this nice gold reflection to it. It has a very high concentration of the biokeratin ferment. This is the restorative part that mimics your hair's natural keratin, the natural building blocks and structure of your hair. It's going to go into the cortex of your hair, repair, strengthen your hair, improve elasticity. It nourishes the outside as well. It gives you a heck of amount of shine. And then you're always gonna wanna follow this up with some type of conditioner. So that's why I left this out. The Moisturizing Deep Conditioner follows up really well. This is like the ultimate duo. Strengthen, and then we're gonna keep our hair nice and soft. So now we're gonna move on to Moisture Seal and the Nourishing Hair Oil. Now this can be added into your conditioning treatments. You want like a little extra boost to it. You can use this to separate curls. You can use it to just create a little bit of slip for your hair. Such a gorgeous bottle. It's glass. It's like art. Get that? Moisture Seal is a lotion, has a very little bit of hold to it. Be applied to damp or dry hair, and it's going to help to complete all of that work you just did. So I use this before silk presses or natural styling. So these are going to be your finishers, and that rounds out your foundation collection. And then there's the Restoring Hair and Edge Drops. This is science in action. It helps to support your hair's edges. I'll do a whole video breakdown on the ingredients of it and why it is beneficial, but my clients are seeing good results from it, and they're testing this heads up against some really popular lead brands of like hair restoration stuff, and it's doing the work without the side effects. Again, if you have scarring, this is not going to just grow hair out of nowhere. This is going to support what you already have, and it's going to course correct if you're experiencing challenges that are still within the fixable stage. CÉCRED. What? Candle blew me away. And this hoodie. Actually, I don't know. Is it the case? All of it is like, I'm really shocked and just very excited and so thankful that you all sent this to me. In addition to all the other things, you take such good care of your pro affiliates, and I am proud and so excited to be a part of this program. I'm so late for work now, but I had to accomplish this when I was like feeling the excitement. Take care everyone. I'll see you all very soon. Saddle up. So silly.